Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to watch saved video clips on the PlayStation 5 in the media gallery. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So you're playing a game and you want to go ahead and save a clip and then watch it in the media gallery. Well, this is very easy to do. Now on the PlayStation 5, if you look at the controller, there is a button right above the D-pad. If you go ahead and hold this down, this will open up the sharing and broadcasting menu, where you can go to save recent gameplay, and you can save the last 15 minutes, the last 15 seconds, etc. of gameplay. So let's go to the last 1 minute. Now I can move over with the D-pad to the video, and I can see it under here. And I can select it and make it bigger. And I can rewatch it while I'm currently playing games. And this is what it looks like. And I have the option to share this clip to Twitter, YouTube, a group that I'm currently in, like the B team, my Warzone crew. Then I can edit the video clip right here. I can trim it and then make this a little bit smaller if I want to start the clip here and then end it here. And then save the clip and replace the original clip or save the clip as new. So let's replace that clip now. Now it's only 12 seconds long. Then you can favorite the clip, which makes it a little bit easier finding it. And then you can delete the clip right here. And you can see the last 15 clips just under this quick little menu. Now below that, it says go to media gallery. Let's select X on this. And this will bring us to the media gallery. Now let me show you another way to find the media gallery. Now if I go to the home screen on the PlayStation 5, if the media gallery doesn't show up under this list right here, go all the way over to the game library. Now, since it's installed on your PlayStation 5, if you go to the installed section and then scroll on down, you should be able to find the media gallery under here. And then select it and open it up under this. And when you go ahead and open it up under here, media gallery will be moved to the home screen on your PlayStation 5. So here it is. Since it's most recent, it's displaying closest to like the store and Explorer. Then we can go over it and press options on it, and we can go to keep it home. And then it will always be on the home screen, and we don't have to find it in the game library. And hopefully in the future, they should add this to like your collection so you can add it to a game list. Currently, right now, you cannot add it to a game list, which is kind of frustrating. So the best thing we got is going to keep on home screen. And then we can always find it here. Or holding down the share button and going to here is a quick method also. Now that we have it opened up in the media gallery, we can see our most recent clips on top. So here's the one I just did right here. And then I do have a few more options under here. I can go to more, and I can copy it to USB drive, edit in Share Factory, or I can go to information. And I can rename the clip under here as well. Then here is a sort and filter option. We can go to sort by, date added, newest to oldest, old to new, large, small file size, or small to large file size. Then the media type, video clips or screenshots. And then under that, we have select multiple. So if we want to copy multiple items over to a USB drive, or edit in Share Factory, or delete the selected clips, we can do that here. And then here are my favorite clips, my trophies. Now by default on the PlayStation 5, when you unlock a trophy, your PlayStation will save the last like 15 seconds or the last 30 seconds around when you unlock that trophy. So you can always see the achievements you got. And then my albums, and this will be game specific. So here's everything for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Remastered. I just have a couple clips in here. And then, what's my largest one? Elden Ring. I have a bunch of Elden Ring videos. And if you want to go ahead and try editing one of these video clips, try going to Edit in Share Factory. Share Factory is a powerful video editor on the PlayStation 5 and 4, which will allow you to make amazing video edits. And then you can go ahead and share this to your friends or upload it to YouTube under here. So hopefully this quick video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.